Oh, welcome to the Millbrook Railroad, and today, well, I forgot to turn the microphone on, so we're going to give you a narration over the top of what's going on here. And what's going on here is we're shifting cars in the yard. But you might not recognize some of these cars. Some of these cars are only here temporarily, I think. So I picked up a couple of gondola cars. Now the green one, of course, is Eric's car, so that's staying here for a while. But these two black ones, the railgon and the all-black one, those I picked up for a potential client who called me up and said, "Hey, I want to build a train, and I want it around my yard, and I want it for Christmas this year, for a Christmas display." So, well, that's a tall order, so I searched around to see what they were for cars, and, well, these two are available. Perfect for riding cars. And the engine, well, that came from the Ossipee Central Railroad, so that's something we already had, and maybe that'll make a good engine for this potential client? I don't know. We'll find out. But anyway, we have to do some shuffling around here. A friend of mine was kind enough to deliver them when I found out they wouldn't fit in my car. And so now Eric's gonna finish shuffling these around and he's gonna get the engine on the other end of this cut of cars. Then we'll have a train. Now you might notice that this video has a slightly different filming style from previous videos, and that's because I was able to pick up a used DJI gimbal thanks to help from some of our patron members. That's patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad. Couldn't do it without these folks, so thank you very much. And now that we've gotten through the part where the microphone was not working because I forgot to turn it on, I give you soundtrack. Enjoy the rest of the video without me talking over it. Oh, what'd you think?
It's been a while since I've had that train that long on a decent hill.
This is definitely a decent hill, that's for sure.
If I wasn't growling, it was because it was sliding.
So a little story with these two cars right here. Picked these up for a potential customer who wants to buy some cars and a locomotive and set up a train around their house for Christmas display. I warned them and said that it might be addictive. The story with this little engine here is, this is the Ossipee Central gas mechanical engine, and the gas engine it's pretty well knackered, and so is the transmission. So we're just going to rip that all out and put an electric motor in its place and put a couple of batteries in the cab and call it done. That'll be a good little starter engine for somebody after we pressure wash it, clean it all up, and make it look as nice as possible. So lots of stuff coming up. So I guess that'll be a video repowering that engine right there, and I don't see the need to keep that particular engine. I've got to come up with some money to help me fix the steam engine. So this will be that piece that I move on to somebody else who will appreciate it perhaps more than I am able to. So thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, and we could use subscribe if you would like to do that, if we think we deserved it. And if you want to join us over on Patreon, you'll get early access to videos, and you get some other perks like some exclusive content. And Patreon, that's where we talk about stuff that's coming up before anybody else knows about it. So join us over on Patreon, patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad, and have yourself a nice day. And Eric's car broke down, so he got a ride home.
To come in when you finally get it. Yeah. They go to the put it on. The part that the mounts on was scavenged.
So, yeah, they're rebuilding one of them in Rensselaer right now. Actually, I saw them towing it out of the back shop.
Oh, yes.
It was actually running.